Hey y'all, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to have bacon, mushrooms, spinach, smothered chicken. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but I'm hoping it'll be really good. So we're going to try this together. Let's get started. In my bag I have two chicken breasts that I sliced in half to make 4 chicken breasts. And to this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of this Kinder's cracked pepper Parmesan here, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika to it. Then we're going to add salt and pepper just kind of to taste, and y'all know salt and pepper comes out of these things really fast, so just a little bit. But to your taste, you want more, put more by all means. You want less, put less. And if you don't want to add it, don't even add it. And then we're just going to kind of mix these up really, really good. I better close it, or I'll have these seasonings everywhere. Just kind of mix it around. Okay, I think I got them coated really good. And it says to bake this in a 375 degree oven for 20 minutes, the chicken. And I got my pan here. I sprayed it with cooking spray because hit me. I don't like scrubbing them dishes. So we're gonna put our chicken over in here. Come on out of there. We're gonna attempt to put our chicken over in here. Over. We gotta put him in. There we go. And I'm gonna put this in the oven and I will bring you right back. In my pan here I have a tablespoon and a half of butter, and I'm getting it hot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 10-ounce package of fresh spinach and we're gonna wilt it down for about a minute or so. Get it all in this pot. It'll start cooking down. And I went ahead and rinsed it earlier. Got them running. Okay, now I got my spinach all wilted down and most of the moisture out of it. I put it on like medium to get most of the moisture out of it. We're going to take it out of the pan. Now we're going to add just a little bit, about a, not quite a tablespoon of butter back in there again. Just a little tiny bit to make sure our pan is greased a little bit. We're going to add about probably a clove and a half of garlic in there. Y'all know I use that paste out of the tube so I don't have to mince it. I'm going to let that go for just a second in the same pan. Now we're going to add 2/3 cup of half and half. Kind of get all that goodness off the bottom of our pan. Okay. Let this go for just a second. Now, and to this, we're going to add, I got to see exactly how much it is because of the recipe. We're going to add a cup of shredded cheese. And I did not get the shredded cheese out of the fridge, so let me grab that real quick. Now, add my cup of shredded cheese. And we're going to let all this just cook together and get all creamy. And let our cheese melt. Okay, just like that. Turn it down on low heat. Now that it's done that, we're going to turn the heat off and add our spinach right back to it. Wow, that looks good. Smells amazing. Okay, and we're gonna just let this sit here until our chicken is ready. And when our chicken is done, I will bring y'all back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Our chicken we took it out. So what we're gonna do is go to the next step. The next step is to take fresh mushrooms and line it up on your chicken. Be very careful because it's hot. Just kind of add them to the chicken. Just like that. Okay. Rest of them. You know what? We put them all in there. Can't ever have too many mushrooms. All right, and then take your cream spinach mixture, and what you do is you spread it out over the chicken. Just kind of, and I touched the side of the pan. I just said it was hot. I'm up here touching it. Oh, wow. Get a little bit more on that first one. Wow. These already look good. Okay, got that on. Yeah, I know. Should just leave it alone. Gotta do it perfect. Then you put your crumbled up bacon, and I have 4 slices of bacon in here, minus the little bit that I might have eat a little bit of, snacked out of it. Maybe my cameraman might have did too. Put that on there. And then this is Colby Jack cheese, and it says to take the cheese slices and just put a whole entire cheese slice on each one. I'm gonna kind of angle mine, make it pretty. There really ain't no wrong way to do it. Okay, and now it goes back in the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches, I believe it said 169. So we're gonna put this back in the oven, and I'll bring y'all back when the chicken is done. Okay, our chicken is done. I know I said that about 30 to 40 minutes, but I decided to check them after 10, and they turned out to be done. So check them with your thermometer. Your oven may vary a little bit, but ours was done, and they look amazing. The cheese on the top is brown and melted. They look really good. So we're gonna give this one a taste. Just cut us a piece off right here. We're gonna get us about a spinach out of here. We didn't have enough on our piece. Okay. And it's very hot. That's really good. It's moist. The chicken is juicy. It's got the right amount of salt and seasoning to it. It's not overpowering. Oh, that spinach is amazing. I was worried about, because you didn't saute the mushrooms or anything ahead of time, I was worried they weren't going to get, they are perfect. They're cooked perfect. Wow. This is a good recipe. I think we're going to keep this one. Amazing. Can't stop eating it. Thank you everybody for joining me this week for cooking this. I appreciate it. I ask you to like, subscribe, and please join me next week to see what we are cooking. Bye.